Today I am telling you about Indeed and how you can post a job on Indeed in 2022. Hey guys, welcome back to Arena at Home. I do how-to online videos as well as work from home gigs. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel for more of that great content. So let's get into the video. This is your Indeed screen. All you have to do is go right here, employers/post job. Click here and we will be ready to post our job. Create an employer account and here they ask for your company's name. Let's just say How to Digital. Your company's number of employees. Let's just say 50 to 149. Your first and last name. Your role in the hiring process. So let's just say I am the hiring manager. Your typical hiring budget. And here they ask for your phone number. So put your phone number right here. How you heard about us. You can put any, let's say, social media, but I'm just going to say online video and continue. And here they ask for your country, the language. So go through the countries and select your country. Job title. Let's just say looking for an editor. Which option best describes this role's location? Let's just say remote. Job is performed remotely, so no on-site work is required. Is this a full-time or part-time job? Let's just say a full-time job. Do any of these job types apply? Let's just say temporarily. What is the schedule for this job? 8-hour shift and from Monday to Friday. How many people do you want to hire for this opening? The more openings you have, the more applications you will need. Let's put 6. How quickly do you need to hire? If you need someone fast, you may need a higher visibility. Okay. So let's just say 1 to 2 weeks. Save and continue. So you can shop it by range, starting amount, maximum amount, exact amount, but let's just go with the range. And we change the rate from per month to per hour, 15 to 20. Job description. Now here you can add any of your description you want to add. So I will just go with, we want someone with editing skills. Are you taking any additional COVID-19 precautions? Just say no for now, or you can just leave it right here and continue. After that, you can see Employers Assist. Indeed cuts out work for you by removing candidates when you are not interested. Let's just go with 10 days. After that, we're gonna add our job details, and you can ask any questions you want to your employee. Now this is a preview job post. This is what my job will look like. If you want to edit, you can just edit it right here. Now, if you want to sponsor your job, right here we can sponsor our job. After that, save and continue. Now to post the job, you have to add your billing address. All you have to do is add your address. After that, guys, you have to provide proof of your identity if you haven't done yet. Continue, and all you have to do is click post and your job will be posted. So now my job is not sponsored yet because I did not add any payment information. But you can go ahead and add your billing information and your job will be sponsored. So guys, this is how you can post a job on Indeed. So I hope you liked the video, and yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.